Good morning, students. This is science. We were on chapter number 7, adaptation in plants, and we have done the revision of coastal areas and plants in rainforest. These two we have completed it. Today we are going to cover up some aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are those plants which grow inside the water or in the water, that are known as aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are of three types: floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. So first one is floating plants. As you can see, floating means the things which are swimming in the water. They are not drowning. They are swimming freely, right? Like we swim in the water freely without any support. They are also doing the same thing. Some aquatic plants float freely in water. Some of them are floating freely in water. They are either spongy or light in weight. They are either spongy. Spongy means they have air gaps in it. They have air gaps in it, and they are if we press them, they are like squeezed and comes in their shape automatically. That is known as spongy. And light in weight. They are very light in weight. They are not heavy. They are light, very light. Like a paper. If you throw a paper in the water, what it will do? It will not drown. It will float like a boat kind of thing. So they can float on the water. Duckweed and water hyacinth are the floating plants. There is the example given over here. That is, duckweed and water hyacinth are floating plants. So you need to learn this examples of this floating plants, that is duckweed and water hyacinth. These are known as duckweed. As you can see the picture clearly with this, you can find out what duckweed look like. So fixed plant. Second one is fixed plant. These plants are fixed to the bed of the pond, which help of their roots. These plants are fixed, as the name suggests, that it is fixed by something that is known as root, and that root is under the pond bed. If we go inside under the pond, we can see the lotus roots are inside the soil of the pond. Clear? They have thin, long and hollow stem. They have thin. Thin means a very confined one, that is very thin, पतला जिसे बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Long, लंबा, hollow, खोखला means अंदर से बिल्कुल खाली, ठीक है? They have thin, पतला, long, लंबा, hollow means अंदर से बिल्कुल खाली, like a straw. Their leaves are broad, which float on the surface of the water. Their leaves, as you can see in the picture, their leaves are so much broad. They float above the water. Stomata are present on the upper side of the leaf. Naturally, the stomata is underside of the leaf in every plant, as I have told you in the chapter number 6. In chapter number 6, I have told you about that stomata is underside of the leaf. Stomata is used for the exchange of gases. They release oxygen and get in carbon dioxide. In the fixed plant, the stomata is upper side of the leaf. Why? Because under the water they can't get the air. That's why it is upper side of the leaf. That's why they get carbon dioxide from the above of the leaves. Clear? So this thing is to be reminded, that stomata are present on the upper side of the leaves. A waxy coating is present on the surface of the leaves, which prevent them from rotting. There is a waxy coating in the plants which are fixed or which are inside the water. Why? Because in the water everything get rotted. रॉटेड मीन्स सड़ जाना, ठीक है। तो सारी चीजें जो सड़ जाती हैं तो वो उसकी वजह से naturally they have the adaptation of having waxy coating. Waxy coating means a kind of wax. As you can see the wax, if you dip the wax inside the water, it will not get wet, right? It will not get wet. If you burn that wax, if you burn that candle, it will burn, right? So waxy coating is the coating which prevents the plants to get rotten. Clear? Lotus and water lily are fixed plant. Lotus and water lily are the fixed plants. Here duckweed and hyacinth floating plant. Lotus and water lily are the fixed plants, right? Next one is underwater plant. As the name suggests, underwater. Whatever the plants grow under the water, that is inside the pond, that are known as underwater plants. These plants grow under the surface of water. It is under the water. You can't see them. In the floating plant and fixed plant, you can see the water, see the plants on the water. But in the underwater plants, you can't see that plant. If you go inside the pond, you can see that. They have thin, narrow and long leaves without any stomata. They have thin, I told you what is thin, that is means patla. Narrow, they have a pinpoint like needles. As you can see, they have needle tips. Long leaves without any stomata. They don't have stomata in it, right? They breathe through the body surface. How they can breathe? They are breathing with the body surface. That means the whole plant get in oxygen from get in carbon dioxide from the water. They absorb the carbon dioxide given out by the aquatic animals and keep the pond clean. How they are getting the carbon dioxide? Animals are there, some aquatic animals are there. Aquatic animals get oxygen from the water and throw out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is utilized by the underwater plants, right? That water is received by tape grass or underwater plants, you can say. These give out oxygen which is taken by the water animals. That is the interchangeable. That means whatever the oxygen is coming from that animal, it is utilized by the plant, and whatever the whatever the oxygen is given by the plants, that is utilized by the underwater animals. Got the point? जैसे हमने इंटरचेंजेबल के बारे में बात की थी, कहाँ? इसमें देखा था, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन हमको देते हैं, हम इनको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड देते हैं. वैसे ही इसी अंडर वाटर प्लांट में क्या होता है? अंडर वाटर प्लांट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं और ऑक्सीजन छोड़ते हैं. वही ऑक्सीजन एनिमल लेता है और वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ते हैं, तो ये प्लांट ले लेता है. समझ में आ गया? सो टेप ग्रास एंड पॉन्डवीड आर अंडर वाटर प्लांट्स. टेप ग्रास और पॉन्डवीड आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ अंडर वाटर प्लांट. ठीक है. देयर इज अ कंफ्यूजन बिटवीन डकवीड एंड पॉन्डवीड. So as a name suggests, duckweed. Duck is where duck floats, right? Duck is floating. तो duck पानी के अंदर तो नहीं मिलती है. duck क्या करती है? float करती है. तो floating plant में हमेशा याद रखिएगा duckweed याद रहेगा. समझ में आ गया? pond गहराई में होता है, अंदर होता है, तो that is underwater plant. As the name suggests, ये एक तरह से hint है आपके लिए. So right now you have to read these paragraphs, and if you have any query about meaning or statement, you can ask, and your homework is to learn the exercises of this chapter. From Monday I think we are going to study GK, so get prepared for that, and right now ask me question about these things. Thank you so much.